What is up, YouTube? This is LD's Outdoors. It's September 1st. It's opening day of dove season here in Kentucky. Shooting hour started at 11 a.m. So we got about another 40 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and load the truck up, swing by McDonald's, grab a quick bite to eat, and then we'll head out to the dove field. We're gonna try to get a limit today. If we have time, I'll do maybe even a catch, clean, and cook. I got some stuff to make some poppers, so super excited about that. So I don't know, we'll see. It's a beautiful day out there, so they should be flying pretty well. So stay tuned, and I hope y'all enjoy the video. Bye. All right, guys. Well, we're here at the dove field. Parked a little ways away, so I got to walk to our spot. But got about 10 minutes until legal shooting time, so it'll take about 10 minutes to walk to where we're going. I got some mojo. I got a moving mojo I'm gonna set up, and then some other ones that I'm just gonna put in various places. But looks like a good day. I've seen a few flying around driving in here, so we'll get to where we're going and set up and get to shooting. All right, guys, well, super slow, but we're gonna walk back to the truck and grab some extra batteries for this mojo out here, because it's been going non-stop and I don't know how long the batteries last in those things. So we're gonna walk back. Well, that's not how I thought we would get the first one, but it was in the air and I got it. Got him. Dang. Get up. Number two. Crap. They were a little too far, but I was gonna go for it. Dang. I don't know how I missed him. Got him. Ah, man, I wish I could kill some on this side of the fence, I'll tell you that. Ah. Oh yeah, and by the way, in case anyone wants to know, yes, I know the landowner on the side of the fence. I know him very well, so he does not care if I climb his fence to retrieve a dove. Well, it's number 4 for today. You know, I'm really just happy to start seeing them fly. I mean, I get it. Most people don't come out here at 11 a.m. to hunt doves. I mean, I know, I'm not stupid. I know they fly better in the mornings and late evenings, but you know, it's opening day. I got excited. Uh-oh, right here. Oh, he's hit. He's gonna die. He's in that tree. Hey, he just fell. All right, number 6. Dang, I cannot believe I got him. What's up, guys? We're back out here. It's the second day of dove season. It's also opening day of deer season, but I went this morning and seen some pretty good stuff, but I decided not to go this evening. It's just far too hot. So I figured instead of going out and sweating in a tree stand, I'd come back out here and sweat in the dove field some more. Looks like it's a pretty good day. Hopefully they'll be flying well. So let's go do some shooting. Got one of them. Well, I think I got him. He went down over there, but he didn't 100% die. Oh my gosh, dude, I can't even go pick him up without more flying over. He's over there. I got a dead one over here too. That's for sure dead. All right, I'm gonna, I better put some more shells in my pocket first, and then I'll go try to round up these two. Tried to mount the GoPro to my gun, but this shotgun's just got a little bit too much oomph behind it, and it keeps knocking it completely off. So yeah, we're just gonna have to go with the head mount. Here he is. And then I shot another one. I was in a hurry. When I shot him, and I didn't get a good hit on him like I did on this guy in my hand, but he took a nosedive to somewhere. Uh-oh. Busted you. Oh. Tell you what, when I go dove hunting, I got to bring a bunch of shells because I tend to miss a lot. I'm averaging about 3 shots a bird, but you gotta do whatever you gotta do. Oh, all right. Now that other one, yeah, we got more. Ah, they seen me. Not this one though. Oh, and for those of you who might want to know, this shotgun, what I'm using here, is it's a Dickinson. I'm not exactly sure of the model. It's a semi-automatic. It's like one of the only semi-automatics they make, I believe. But it's super cheap for a semi-automatic shotgun. I got this thing brand new for like right at 300 bucks, and it's been a terrific shot. I bought it specifically just for, like, you know, just, I bought it just because I never had a semi-automatic shotgun and I wanted one. And I I've kind of turned it into my bird gun from anything to doves, ducks, you name it. But boy, she's been a good gun, and like I said, for 300 bucks, you can't beat that. I do have one complaint though, and the one complaint that I have is, I don't know if you can see that, but that right there, to load this thing, you got to hold this in and load your shells. If not, it will pinch your thumb so hard. But other than that, for $300, this gun has been a heck of a shotgun, especially for something like this, dove hunting, or even if you're just shooting clays, you know, just wanted something for fun. This thing is awesome. I've never had it malfunction on me either, never, and I've never cleaned it. And I know that I'll probably get some hate for that, but I have neglected this gun more than I think all of my guns combined, and she runs true. Also, the gun when I bought it was completely black, synthetic. This is just one of those vinyl wraps you can get from Mossy Oak. But anyways, enough talking. Let's see if we can't get some more doves. Really high. Dang. Keep missing. Come on. Come on, turn, turn, turn. Oh. Oh, I got a double, baby. Heck yeah. Out of all the years I've been dove hunting, which has been, Lord, I'd say 10 years, that's the first double I've ever gotten. First time. Pretty proud of that. They're two good ones too. Pretty meaty. Dang. That bird was gonna decoy. Just like a duck or something. There's one. Got him. Boy, that was a long shot. Alright, you guys, there's two reasons I killed this bird. And it's two tips I'm going to share with y'all. Look, my spot is over there. That's far. I shot him, I don't know, somewhere up in there. Number one, when a bird, and this is for the new guys, when a bird is flying away from you, don't aim at the bird, aim underneath the bird. That way the bird flies kind of into your pattern. At least that's the theory behind it. And then number two, oh, about fail. A lot of guys shoot an improved cylinder choke when they dove hunt. I shoot a modified. I think a modified is a lot better choice of a choke when it comes to dove hunting. Reason being, it's because you miss a lot. If you're like me, you miss a lot. Which means a bird can get further away from you after you miss. You gonna commit? Are you gonna commit? You see me. Anyways, point being, you get a lot more range out of a modified choke. Get up. Come on. Well, y'all, there you have it. That's 2 days worth of hunting combined. In total, I got 24 birds, so we didn't limit out on both days. Still a lot of fun, a lot of good shooting. I apologize for the abrupt end. My GoPro batteries died, so that's why I'm filming this. But anyways, I'm going to be going back out soon, so hopefully I can get some more cool footage for you guys. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe, comment, let me know what you think. And I'll be coming at y'all with some more footage here soon. All right, bye.